What's up, guys? Revival GT here. I am at the track in Memphis, Tennessee. We're here. I'm here with my best friend, and we're gonna be doing some pulls tonight. So I've only ever done a pull when the car was stock out here. So I've never done a pull with my car on the setup that it's at now. I've only done like little, roll racing stuff. So it's gonna be good to see what kind of improvements we've made. I'm still on a street tire. I don't have a drag pack. I'm kind of hoping that I get lucky tonight and I get to run that thing. That would be really cool. I love those cars, man. Y'all know I love Ford, but those C8s are something else.
For those of y'all that don't know, if you haven't seen my channel before, make sure y'all subscribe to The Golden Jewel. T-H-E, Golden Jewel. It don't get no simpler than that.
Gotcha.
Make sure y'all subscribe.
That's right.
He got the newer Mustang than mine. He way faster too. But if y'all want to see some content of S197, then y'all can check me out. I got a S197 2014 Mustang GT. I got a 1989 Ford Mustang, and I got a 97 Silverado pickup for my Chevy guys out there. And I got one more build coming too, if y'all want to see that. So I'm gonna keep it on hush a little bit, but it'll be here soon, maybe. But it's probably gonna be about 2 years before I hit the road. So
gotcha. Good deal.
I want to do it right.
But guys, that's the Golden Jewel. If you like my stuff, make sure you go like, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that stuff that everybody always tells you on YouTube videos, and show us some support, y'all. We're trying to put Memphis on the map a little bit out here. Ain't no Memphis YouTubers out here. We're trying to do it. All right, boys, we're pulling up to the line. I have no idea what I'm gonna actually end up next to. Hope it's something cool. It's not gonna embarrass me. There's the C8. Oh, come on, please, God. All right, guys. Here we are. We're doing it. That thing was moving. He took off on me. He also treed the crap out of me. I was trying to focus on doing a video and trying to do that, so it didn't really work out well for me. But man, that sucker out the hole, even on street tires, I think it's getting it.